Welcome back to Better Shiksha. Today we will learn about the polynomials, and then we also learn about the degree of polynomial, and then on the basis of degree we simply classify the polynomials, right? So first we take a simple example. Let's say x plus 3 any given equation. Let this equation is say 1, and again I also want to write a one more equation like ax to the power of b plus c. Let's say this is the equation 2. Now by comparing the equation 1 and equation 2, we can simply say that a value is comes to be in 1 and the b value is comes to be in 1, right? Because if you want to see these two equations here, the coefficient of x is a and this term is a, right? So a value is 1 and b value is 1. So this a term is called coefficient of x, and this b value is known as power of x, right? And if also we compare the c value, so we can simply say that there the c value is 3, right? It is simply a constant of equation, right? So the basic argument about this b terms, right? This is the power of x. So for knowing the polynomial, this b value means power of x value should be positive integer. Let's say this value should be positive integer if any given equation, and in that given equation if the coefficient, sorry, if the power value b is represented as a positive integer, then we can simply say that this given polynomial is a polynomial, right? And if suppose we have this b value is negative like -1 and -2, then that given equation is not a polynomial, then that will be not polynomial. सपोज करो दोस्तों, अगर आपके पास कोई इक्वेशन ऐसा लिखा है 3x to the power of -2 plus 5x, right? Then for looking this equation here the b value is negative, we can simply say that this is not a polynomial. Now moving on to know about the degree of polynomial, right? The degree of polynomial is simply a maximum value or maximum power of x in the equation. Here the maximum power of x, let's say we have example p of x is x plus 3, the maximum power of x is 1, right? So the degree of this equation is simply 1. Now moving on, let's say we have a same equation x plus 3, we can simply say that the degree of this equation is 1, right? And if suppose if any equation, if any given equation the degree value is comes to be 1, then simply means that that given equation is linear polynomial. अगर आपको given equation में degree की value 1 आती है तो हम उस equation को simply क्या कहेंगे कि वो linear polynomial है. Let's say another example, p of x is x square plus 3x plus 4. अगर हमारे पास कोई इस तरह का इक्वेशन है, the first aim is find the degree value, right? हमारा पहला aim क्या है? डिग्री निकालेंगे. कैसे निकालेंगे? We have to look the power of x. It's not only power of x, maximum power of x, right? हमें क्या देखना है? Maximum power of x. Here of this power is 2 and this x power is 1, but our aim is to look the maximum value of 2 and 1, that is 2, right? So degree of this equation is comes to be 2. Now as the degree is comes to be 2, that simply means this given equation p of x is nothing but the quadratic polynomial. If the degree values comes to be in 2, it's simply known as degree of 2 polynomial and quadratic polynomial. Let us suppose another example, p of x is x cube plus 4x square plus 5. In this equation simply we have to find out degree value, and the degree is nothing but the maximum power of x. So here is 3, here is 2, so the maximum value is 3, so degree is 3, right? So as the degree comes to in 3, that simply means that this given polynomial is a cubical polynomial, cubic polynomial. Okay, now if suppose someone comes to us and asks what happened if I supposed to put x value or x is equal to 2 in a given polynomial, right? कोई अगर हमारे पास आता है और पूछता है कि अगर हम x की वैल्यू 2 डालेंगे तो हमें क्या वैल्यू मिलेगी, that simply means that you put x is equal to 2 in the given equation, you get some constant value, say 4. So this is the value of polynomial at a given value of x. Simply, if suppose I want to put some k value, this case should be anything. So this is, or any positive number, so it comes to be n p of x at x is equal to k, it's k plus 2. Take it also. Now moving on. So the summary part is we learn how polynomial are look like. So for our polynomials, the power of x should be positive integer, right? The second part, we learn about the degree. How we calculate the degree? Degree is nothing but the maximum power of x, right? Maximum value of power of x. And third, we simply know if I suppose put any x value in a given polynomial, we simply calculate this given polynomial value, right? Thank you.